Imagine this. Your dream trip is just a few days away. Your bags are almost packed, but then you realize you don't even have a passport yet. Or maybe you need one for a job, school, or another official reason. The idea of creating a passport might seem complicated, but it's actually much easier when you know the right steps to follow. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating your passport from start to finish, making it simple, clear, and stress-free. Whether it's your very first passport or you're replacing an old one, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to make it happen without confusion or delay. Here is how to get your passport in less than few minutes. So this is the first step. Let's go to Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, type this Cutout Pro. Cutout. So this is it. Can you see it's Cutout Pro? So install it on your phone. It will take you a few seconds to be installed. Now we are almost done installing. Good. We are done installing. Alright, so the next thing to do is to open it. All you need to do is to select it. Alright. You will see this subscribe and all the rest. So just skip it. Okay, just skip it. Just select here so that it will go off. See the interface that says H3 photo for document, then AI photo enhancement, and AI background remover. So you can also select this photo for document. When you select photo for document, alright. So it has three options here. It has from camera roll, from project, and from camera. Alright, so let me explain this to you. So from camera rolls means that you can be able to get photos directly from your gallery. Then from project is an already existing work you have. All right, so this the third one is from camera that you can actually snap a picture here and use it for the passport. Now let's select from camera roll. Already, so let's select from camera roll. So the next thing is to select gallery and select just once or always. So it depends on the one you want. So I'll go to my albums and check. Let me see if I'll get any photo. All right. Let's check if I can get any photo. We need a good photo. That's one is the position of the person is quite good, not just anyhow photo. Right, I think let me work with this. Let me work in this cartoon photo. All right, this one it will be okay. So after selecting it now, so this is it. Okay, so after selecting it, you will choose the size of the photo you want. So I will choose 2 point. You can edit it here. So you see that you use 2.0 or you use 2.8. This is the one I'm going to use. This 2 visa photos. So I'll select this 2 by 2.28 inches. So I'll select this one. All right, so I've selected it. So now they've given you an option where you can choose your background. So it depends on the background you want. If you want this background, you can select it. If you want this one, just choose the background you want. If you want this one as well, okay. So you choose the background of your choice, okay? You choose any background of your choice. So if you want a red background, all you have to do is to select here. You see here, it has numerous background. Just tap here. Just tap there. When you tap there, you can select red background. So after that, you select submit. So also just select submit. So can you see that our background has changed? Then if you don't like this particular red, you can as well choose another red. So when you're choosing any of the red, it will be displaying here. Just okay, I think the red is too loud. The red is too loud. So you can also dim the red here. You can can dim it here. So after that, let's select submit. I think this one is better, right? And just choose anyone you want. Then if you are a male person, you can actually change your outfit here. So let me see fit here as well. Especially if you are a man, I think it will work out best. Pro. It is mainly for pro. As you can see, it's written pro. If you are a man, you can change your outfit to suit. All right. So that is it.
Before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss practical guides like this. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from and if you're already getting value from this video so far. And while you're at it, let me know if you had your passport in hand today. Where's the very first place you'd go?
So after this, now the next thing to do is to save it. This is where you save it. You select here and it will be saved to your gallery. It's either you save it here or you save it here. Just choose any of the options. It's still the same thing. Okay. All right. So this is not all. Okay. So now the next thing is to select. All right. So let's select adjust. So when you select adjust, this is the amount of the output of passport you want. This amount actually means the output of the passport you want to. All right, so you can click here and edit it. If you want like 4 passports or 8 passports at once, just click there. All right, so this particular place that is written format is if you want to download it in PDF form, NG, just select it. Okay, so just select your choice. So you want PNG, if you want JP, PDF, or anyhow you want it. So right now this is the position. If you want it to be at the center, if you want it to be at the right, if you want it to be at the left, so just select it. Then these are the borders. If you want to have any borders, if you want it colored, remember before it was not colored. All right, it was just like this. So you have to select if you want the border. If you don't want it, you can still turn it off. Then this is where it comes as colored. So now the next thing to do now is to print it. All right, or you share it anyhow you want it. So let's try the printing aspect. Okay, so can you see that? Can you see that? All right, so you select share. You can share it to your WhatsApp. Okay, let me share it to my WhatsApp or any platform of your choice. So this is it. You can share it like this. Okay, if you want to print it out, I think you can send it there and you go and print it out. It's very easy. It's very, very easy. Then if you want to save it, you only save one file. Just this one, just select save. That is it. That is it.
And that's it. You've just learned how to create your passport step by step. If you got value from this guide, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and make sure you're subscribed for more helpful tutorials. I'd love to hear where you're watching from and which country is first on your travel list once your passport is ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.